Hello my dear healthy foodies, welcome back to Light Kitchen. It's time for the air fryer breakfast battle. Today I've got 4 crispy hacks lined up, both sweet and savory. Which one would you choose? Keep watching to find your winner. Crispy French toast in air fryer. In a bowl, add half a cup of low-fat milk. Crack in 1 egg. Whisk until smooth. Half a teaspoon cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a spoonful of brown sugar. Whisk until smooth. Take 2 slices of whole wheat or protein bread. Dip them in the custard, turn to coat, and let them soak for 2 to 3 minutes. Arrange them in a single layer in your air fryer basket. Air fry for 7 to 10 minutes, flipping halfway until golden and crisp. Top with fresh berries. And finish with a dusting of powdered sugar. Pure breakfast bliss. Could this be the winner for you? Air fryer egg muffin cups. In a bowl, add 2 large eggs. Half a teaspoon salt, a pinch of chili flakes, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons of milk, and whisk until smooth. Dice half a bell pepper into small cubes. Finely chop an onion and stir them along with a 1/4 cup of shredded low-fat cheese. Stir well. Lightly grease silicone muffin cups, then pour the mixture in the cups. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the muffins are puffed and golden. Let them cool slightly. Fluffy, cheesy, and packed with flavor. Is this your winner? Air fryer cheesy omelette. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of low-fat milk. Whisk until smooth. Pour the mixture into a dish. Sprinkle a 1/4 cup of shredded low-fat mozzarella cheese.
Cook for
for 10 to 12 minutes, giving it a stir halfway through for even cooking. Would you start your day with this fluffy, cheesy omelette? Air fryer tofu scramble. Tofu is a vegan, plant-based protein packed with nutrients and a perfect egg substitute. Take 200 grams of firm tofu and press out the excess water. Crumble it into small, scrambled egg-sized pieces. In a bowl, mix the crumbled tofu with half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon garlic powder, and half a teaspoon pepper. Mix well. Spread the mixture in your air fryer basket in a thin, even layer for those crispy edges. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes, stirring once halfway through. Would you swap your morning eggs for this plant-powered scramble? If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a recipe. Great! Now that you're part of the Light Kitchen family, let's get cooking.